Hello, hi, namaste friends. Jai Jagannath. I hope you all are doing great. So, guys, we have already done unboxing and features of smartphones and smartwatch. So, we are going to do something different in this video. So, you can guess it's right as you can see from the title. So, we'll be doing the laptop servicing. That is, we will be cleaning the CPU fan to keep the laptop in good condition. That is, keep the cooling of the laptop properly. So guys, before starting the video, do subscribe to this channel. In these videos I'll be showing you how to open the laptop and clean the laptop inside. The cooling fan, mainly the cooling fan, which is responsible for keeping the temperature of the processor in good condition, in favorable condition. So I'll be telling you in this video how to service the laptop yourself, clean the processor fan for its longevity. So let's proceed. So before that, you would be needing a screwdriver set like this, which will be having multiple screwdriver. This one is mainly is needed, and a paper knife, and if you have a debit card or a credit card. Let's start how to do it. Let's see. So let me put this thing aside. So this is the laptop, guys, and first we'll be opening these are the screws we will be opening. So basically in this laptop we will be having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 screws we have to open. Okay, then we have to take out the back cover. So let's begin with that. First screw is open. We'll keep it safely. Now the second screw, we'll keep it aside safely so that we don't misplace it. It's very easy, like the screws are not very tight, so it will open very easily. So this is the SL laptop, so it's having a sticker here. So if you remove the sticker, the warranty will void. But I don't have warranty right now because the warranty period has elapsed, so I can open it with my consent. Total 3 4 5 6 screws I have unscrewed right now. So another one. So it's not have a hassle. It's very easy. As you think, some of us think it's very difficult to open a laptop, but it's really easy. Once you know it, you can do it yourself. So I have already opened my old laptops like Sony Vaio I had having, so I had opened that only. Also I did the servicing. You need to, like, if you want to keep the processor in good condition, you need to change the thermal paste, and especially you have to clean the fan regularly. Every 1 year you can do it, or every 6 months. It's up to you how much you are using the laptop. So we have to remove this thing. There's a sticker. If you are having a warranty, don't remove the sticker because the service center will not, the warranty will void, and the service center will not repair your laptop free of cost. So don't remove the sticker within the warranty. When the warranty elapses, that's up to you. Now you want to open it and do whatever thing you want to do with the laptop. So see, right now all the screws I have unscrewed. Okay, So none of the screws are here, as I can see. I've checked it. Now I will use this knife. You need a very sharp knife here, so you can do one thing. Here you can at the fact you can start little bit, slide it and open it. Okay, so little bit of it will open, then you will use this card, insert it inside like this. Okay, so like this you will inside, and little bit you can slide it so that it opens. So little bit it's open. And also you can do the same thing from this side. Also you can do the same thing, and slowly when you slide the card, it will open. As you can see, I am sliding the card, and little bit it's opening. And slowly you will use your hand. When it's open from the side, you will use your hand, and as you can see, we have opened. So it's open now. You can see the cover is open, and you can see the inside of the laptop, what's inside. So I am using an Acer laptop Extensa 15. I have already done the unboxing video. You must have seen. And this is the processor fan, and this is the battery. Okay, so not much dirt is here. Only the fan part, as you can see, a lot of dirt is here. So I'll clean the fan only. Rest of the things I should not clear. See, if it's not dirty, then should not mess with the parts. Otherwise, some of the functionality may not work, because this computer is not much older, 1 year or 1.5 year old. So not much has gone dirty. So I'll clean only the processor part. So you can see how to clean it. Everything is in good condition. You can see this is the RAM. This is the onboard RAM, like it is integrated in the soldered RAM, which is 4GB, 8GB RAM I am having. So it's soldered RAM. I cannot upgrade my RAM. And about SSD, one SSD is there, 512GB, that I can upgrade by removing this. So this is the SSD. As you can see, this is the RAM, which is non-removable. But still I think I have a slot here to upgrade the RAM, I think so, but I'm not sure. If the provision is there, I can upgrade it. As you can see there, I can see one slot is here. If it's small, I'll ask the vendor, I'll ask the service center person if it is upgradable, then it would be really good. I'll take a photo. Already I'm having a photo here, so I'll click one. I'll zoom it. Photo. So this is going to be a long video, guys. Skip it. Otherwise you'll miss. If you miss something, then you will not be able to understand. So I'll clean this fan now. Using a brush, I will clean it. So guys, I have a surgical spirit. You can use surgical spirit to clean the fan or anything inside. So I have a brush. I'm using a brush. So let's start and clean it. See the layer of dirt is coming out. You can see it has settled down here. There is a layer of dust. So slowly, you just apply it slowly. Don't be too much of energy. Otherwise, if something happens, then little bit of dirt will come out. As you can see the dirt. I hope you can see the dirt. Okay, so this way. Let me switch off the fan. So I have switched off the fan. So here you can see I'm removing the major dirt that was responsible for the fan not rotating was this. So it's almost clean. Don't put pressure on the fan, otherwise if something happens then you will be responsible for yourself for the mistake you done. So now I will use a micro cotton cloth to remove the rest of the dirt. Okay, so basically here the fan is moving, means most of the dirts are here only. So what I will do is spray some spirit on this. Okay, make it a little bit wet so that it cleans the dirt. As you can see, the dirt is getting removed and the fan will look brand new. Sound will also come a little bit when the dirt settles. You will see the sound will come, and there is no proper cooling, like the most of the heat. It is getting heat very easily. It's up very easily. So in this way you can clean the rest of the things. If something is there, it will also get removed. This is the motherboard basically. If you have a blower also you can use, but I won't advise you because I don't know how, like at what speed the fan will blow and whether it will be okay. So the cloth is okay. Just apply a little bit of cloths and remove the dirt. It's not much dirty like the it was of the fan. So as you can see, it's quite clean now. I hope you can see that the fan is quite clean now, looks like new. So in this way you will clean the fan and rest of the laptop. Okay, I hope you got it. It's quite clean now. The parts are quite critical, so don't touch much of it here and there, because the wire, if one of the wire is not working or gets, see these are the two speakers, it's also a little bit dirty, so I'll also clean it. I'll use some surgical spirit. A little bit is okay. This evaporates very easily. This is volatile liquid, so you don't have to take much of a effort to clean it. So it's done, guys. Now we'll close the laptop. So the same way, this is the laptop. Let's clean a little bit of this one, okay, because I think it's dirty. Use the spirit and clean this thing. So So the cleaning is done, guys. Let's close the laptop properly. So this part is cleaned, as you can see. So I placed it. Just you don't have to press it, slightly press it. It will get, it will automatically get, you can hear a sound, you can hear the sound that it's getting fitted at the right place. So all the sides, you just do it the same way. Okay, so we'll keep again, put all the screws wherever it is needed. So I put all the screws on the right place. Let's clean this also. I'll use the surgical spirit to clean this also. Just spread some of it and use the tooth. See, it's clean now, looking like new. Now let's glue it. And it's a little bit tight, it is fitted. Now put the sticker back on. If you want to keep the sticker, it's your wish, you want to keep the sticker or not. Okay, so in the same way all the other screws needs to be tightened. Don't put much pressure on the screw because there is a chance of damaging the screw because there are threads. So be gentle because it's your laptop operates. It's your laptop only, and if you damage it, then it will be your loss. I've seen some of the service center when you go there to repair your laptop, they tell you that have you opened the laptop somewhere? So you have to give the answer that no, so we have not opened it. So if they see the screw, a little bit of scratch on the screw, they know it that it has been opened. The laptop has been opened before. So this thing is not getting in because see, this thing is not getting in. So a little bit of see, now it's fitted. Otherwise the screw won't get in. So it's almost done, guys. So give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and do comment if you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything else or any other queries regarding the laptop, and I'll answer it for you. So it's done, guys. Do give the video a like and comment on the video. Do give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in another video. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day. If the laptop is working fine.